Guys, welcome back. It's Fabulous TT, and I'm here to do another unboxing because I know you guys like when I do unboxing. So here she is. It's the size of the box, and let's see what Fabulous TT got today. First off, I want to show y'all my little outfit, my little dress for today. Yes, so she's cute. But anyway, this is how it comes. I had one that fell out, but that's cool. And let's set that to the side. And these are the two products we're doing today. Is Native. So I just got two products, or the two products for them, because it is my first time trying out Native. I've been looking at their website. They do deodorants, lotions, body wash, hair care, and sunscreen. And I think lip care. Maybe not lip care. I have to double check on that, but these are the two products again. So this is the sunscreen because I do work outside. My type of job, I work outside almost every time I get a job. So I do need a sunscreen. And this is the pineapple coconut. I do like the box is not, banged up or nothing. And it says sunscreen with zinc oxide P with SPF 30. It's a 1.7 ounce bottle. So let's open. Well, before we open up, it says 100% zinc oxide protection, absorbs quickly and no residue, which is really good. Lightweight and non-greasy formula, cruelty-free and vegan. So that's really cute, that little bunny right there. I like the little details on the box. And it says that we got y'all covered, which is great. So let's go ahead and take her out and see. First thing when I open it up, look at this. It's the packaging for me. It's the details for me. Rub, sun, repeat. That is like a pretty sky blue. And, oh, wow. It's bigger than what I expected, which is so great. I love this. So, coconut pineapple native mineral face lotion. Just look at that. I love that. Let's see how she looks. Probably gotta take. They probably got a little paper thing in there, but this is how she looks in a box, and I love it. I cannot wait to try this on my face, and I will definitely let you guys know in another video if it is worth the money. I can tell you right now, I got this for under $12. Don't remember the exact price, but it's definitely under $12. They do have a bigger bottle. It's like $15 to $16, but I want to try it out, so I got this size. Now, they do have bigger deodorants. I just wanted to try out the mini one first to make sure that I like it. And it is travel size. It is coconut vanilla native. First of all, I adore this little mini deodorant. I'm gonna have to get some more because these were $3, okay? This is really cute. So, oh, it smells so good. Look, I just love how I open it. Let me show y'all. So you just pop it up. This is how it looks. I mean, look at her. So she's gonna smell good underneath my arms later, because you know I'm trying her out today. But overall, altogether, this was under $20 for these two. It took 2 weeks as well. Like in my other video I did per Fancy Fox, they both came the same day. So yeah, I just love it. If you want to give Native a try, they do have a website, native.com or www.native.com. Like I said, they have other products that you guys could try, but these the first two that I want to try. So thank you for staying tuned. It's Fabulous TT. I'll be back with another one.